you can see, you cannot see my face. And that is because I'm the dastardly evil Spider-Man. This is my invisibility cloak. As you can see, it is just a jacket. But I look stupid if I'm standing up. So that's why I'm sitting down in my dastardly evil chair. And as you can see, I am hacking this account. And as you can also see, I talk like Chris, also known as Tech Dude. Bye. Also, that. So, I have hacked. What do I need? But I don't know how these videos go, so I'm just not talking about that. So yes, we hacked the vlog. Logan is back. Oh magic! Oh my gosh! So magic! Just disappear, reappear, insaneness, and lag. Okay, what's that? Whoa, it's weird. It's like so spinny hair. So as you can see, vlog time. Okay, so one. First, I like doing videos for you guys. You guys are showing a lot of support. I'm getting a lot of subscribers. And a lot of lag on this video recording because I'm just using this with Movie Maker from Windows because I don't really care